everyone, we're here today at your Lincolnshire, I nearly said Yorkshire then, Lincolnshire Wildlife Park. So come with us on our adventures today. So this is the entrance area, the cafe, toilets, and then the cafe that goes in here. There's actually some animals in there, and the enclosures there, reptiles and things. So yeah, it's lovely. So this is the menu that they do in the diner. So feel free to pause and read. Got quite a bit of a selection. Prices aren't bad either. So yeah.
Don't need to stop because you
Yeah.
see it.
So there's a play area here. Just there. Just here. Can you see it out? Oh, they're gorgeous. Lovely colours they are. He's in there.
Tell him when we come back round, stop for some dinner.
Oh wow. Loads. No. These are beauty, yeah, look. Wow. All different types. Parakeets and parrots. Hello. Hello.
Look at this, look.
Oh,
Beautiful, isn't it?
he's gorgeous.
Beautiful. Well, lovely into that one. Yeah?
That one's not as brave.
That one there, look. I wonder if they're male and female then, because that one, oh, that could be a young one, look. That yellow crest on top, look.
Yeah.
These two, this one's only got a little starting of a yellow crest.
Yeah.
That one's got, I wonder if they're either male and female, aren't they? Or younger ones.
Look at them grey ones up there, though.
Yeah.
There's another one over there.
How nice is that?
That's gorgeous. There's one in there as well, look. Over there. That one's sweet. So this is a rehabilitation centre as well. These birds are gorgeous. What you seeing there? Sorry. Is he? We keep saying him,
Him, her?
but we don't know we're female or male, do we?
Couple of green ones further down. Look at that one climbing down ladders over there.
Can we have a parrot?
No. Put themselves out there when they get stressed.
Yeah, they get attached to the people that own them, don't they?
I love them, aren't they?
So it's asleep.
He's tame. Pal, you're tame. Eh? You're tame. Eh? They've been stroking that.
Has there?
Yeah, look at the fingers still stroking it.
Hello? Hello?
It's a young one, isn't it? Shedding its feathers, isn't it?
Hello?
Oh, lovely. Say hello, Elliot.
Hello. Hello. Pretty bird.
Hi. Hi.
Pretty bird. Oh.
You're doing well, mate.
Yes, hello there.
Hello.
Yes, hello there.
Oh, I think this one's having treatment probably.
Yeah, you're stroking.
Look, it's got
Oh, that's popped his feathers off his
yeah,
chest, hasn't he?
yeah.
And you, mate? Yeah? What are you doing?
Why are you eating bark?
Hello.
That's what they do, sharpen their beak.
Sharpen the beaks, don't they?
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Another one. Above it, look.
Hello. I'm not talking to you.
I wonder if that used to be somebody's, you know. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, that one's learned on to talk.
Are you mute?
Oh, look at them.
This is our sharks.
What the? I never knew that one was up there. Hello.
Oh, there's a what's it one there, look. What is it? Grey one.
African grey.
Yeah, look, yeah, in front of us.
So it's not a cockatoo.
I don't know. No cockatiel.
Are you guys chilling here? Did you know
Hello.
many species of parrot
Hello.
are what known as monogamos, usually spending their lives with no mate? I feel bad for you.
What does this? Some of these are rescues.
No. They're lovely, aren't they?
Come
I love-
They're
I
gorgeous,
do love
aren't they?
ruins on parrots.
Yep, there we go. Thank you.
So look what they call it, don't they? Look, that mustardy colour one there in the middle.
Oh yeah.
I love
Yeah, these yellow ones, look.
that.
Yeah, that's good.
That's my finger. Wow. I'm gonna go get another good one. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello there.
This one wants to be on camera.
Hi.
Hello.
You can't speak, but be careful in case he bites.
Where you going? Where you going?
Nice.
Where are you going? Hello. Hello.
Hey, where's he going?
Oh, get right in his face, look.
Hello.
Be careful of that.
Oh, oh, look at that owl there. He's gorgeous.
It says.
And all in it.
Oh.
You think you go round this and come back?
Just a circle.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
look, turtles are down here and all, aren't they?
Oh,
It's
he's
now, times like now, I wish I
gorgeous.
got new camera.
Oh. Hello.
How do you do today?
These must be so
Hi.
tame to be sat there like this. Mustn't they?
Yeah.
And mine, he looks cold.
It's just wind blowing. Just wind blowing.
Oh,
That's gorgeous,
look
that.
at that. Hello. Hello.
You're a bonny lad, aren't you?
Hello.
Oh, lass.
Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh. Not even a bite or nothing.
You're a big boy or girl, aren't you?
Gorgeous colours. It's gorgeous.
Bird keeps on saying hello.
Oh, look at him. I want to take one of these home. Oh, can't get a picture. You can't get in to see this one. He's just in that doorway there.
He's eating peanuts, isn't he?
Oh, yeah.
He's trying to bite at the
He's missing his beak at the top bit, look at him.
Oh. Oh. Have you been in the wars?
Yeah, is it going back, pal?
Oh. Oh, this one's nice colour. Look at this. Look at this one. Oh, that's lovely colour.
That one says
Does it?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
how you doing?
Oh, they've flown off.
Yeah, they've been flying around. Go down to the corner and look and do your legs up, please.
Let me.
Hold on, Alex. Walk away, look.
That one would like me.
It does.
We're
Hello.
not allowed to feed them.
Well, now look.
Tatoo.
Basking in the sun.
That's big one, though.
He's under there. He's going under them.
No, they're real big, aren't they? That him.
That's him there. He's gone under there. he's gone,
Wait,
gone inside there now.
Backing out, look.
He's reversing people, yeah.
No, one point in the ground. They look like they're run for it.
Oh, yeah. There's one sticking their head out the enclosure as well. There's one sticking their head out as well. Look over
I'm
there.
not taking a picture of that because it doesn't show the full body.
Huh?
I'm not taking a picture of that.
Look at what?
It don't show the.
They're lovely, them. That's what I'm saying.
Is there? So this is actually a turtle sanctuary in here. But so far it's been really, really nice. That bar there, just there. So this is the bit where March. Oh yeah, in the winter.
So there's reindeer there.
So reindeer there, big cats that way.
So we'll go through
That's the way we need to go.
Reindeer.
Reindeers are supposed to be in there, but I think
Big cats this way.
it's a little warm for them today, so they're not out. There's nothing in there anyway. No,
Rabbit just pops out of nowhere.
no. But we are going to the big cats now. Emus. I want recording that.
Good job, I'm getting another, innit?
Kangaroos. I think, well, wallabies, I
Oh, yeah,
think.
when you finish checking it all up, it'll just be flat when you get to drink it. It's
Oh,
horrible.
oh, and down there, lay down on the floor. Yeah. Can't see any emus though.
Oh, there, babe.
Where?
Over there, look, against that back end. Where the legs are walking past now. There's one sat down.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if I can zoom that. I can't zoom in, can I?
No, you can, but it's only 2 times. It's digital as well, so you're going to lose quality.
Yeah. If you can see that on there.
You'll be surprised what you... Loads of them.
What are they?
Tortoises.
Oh,
Not all tortoises are massive.
I didn't see them.
There's one there on the grass.
Wallaby over there, look. You jump fence.
Is it?
They're laying down over there, look.
Oh, yeah. There's a picnic area just there. Just there. Mark's found loads of seats now. Oh, I've got canaries and things like that in here now. Yeah, no. I want a camera left when I come out.
Where do you get them things from? Where do you get them stickers from?
From the snack shack. We could have got some if we wanted, but we didn't buy any animal food, did we? We didn't get any, did we?
No, move the camera.
Oh, sorry, darling.
His name's Zuri.
Zuri. Oh, he's gorgeous. Isn't that lovely?
Gorgeous, like that.
Yeah. Oh.
No, he'll just bask in there and
I just have your head to you know.
Why do these guys look like that?
What, like what?
Because he's resting, isn't he?
Resting, look, there, look.
Oh.
Doing like borders, look, isn't he? Laying down, looking, chilling out.
Oh.
There's only one in there.
He's
Yeah,
content,
there are a lot of
innit?
many in there, darling.
Oh, look at that.
There's a lion talk at 2.
Oh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Normally you're searching for him, aren't you?
Yeah.
Where you go to places, it's like, where are they?
Struggle sometimes.
Where are they?
Like
That's
some,
beautiful. Look at the size of him.
He's. Oh.
It's amazing how close they've come to you.
Oh, they're so cute, aren't they?
You've got any mealworms?
Oh.
Are you videoing him? Are you videoing him?
Yeah. Oh. Some more little duckies.
That does that.
Oh. Here I look. Way into there.
People falling in there. Fish.
And there's loads of ducks coming our way.
Big fish, you know.
And there's loads of ducks coming our way.
I know.
You ain't got nothing.
Sorry, ducks, but we haven't got it right now.
Oh, there's loads of fish. It's not just one.
Fed there.
There's no, it's not just one.
Yeah, but it looks like they've all congregated there.
Yeah, it's not just one. There's a few. Elliot, don't go too far.
I wonder if
Oh, look at all these duckies coming over here. We ain't got nothing. Sorry. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're daft. Go on. Elliot, your dad's in here, look. Can you get down to that little one? You're going to get in there.
In the enclosure.
coming out.
Oh, he's gone back in again. Oh, he's come back out. Oh, I wonder if he's over there. The white one. We're going to go past it anyway, aren't we? You see it walking about. Emu. Oh, where's that wallaby gone now? It stood there a minute ago. Oh, come on, round here. I'll leave it running, shall I? Oh, come on, yeah. His head.
Look through trees there.
Just stand here next to me, yeah, look. You can see him come in. There, look.
There, look. See him.
He keeps poking. Oh, it's a male, babe.
I've taken a picture, yes. I've done what I can. There, look. See it?
Keeps walking backwards and forwards. I reckon they're after the dinner. There. Tapir. He's a big boy, him, isn't he? Oh, there, look. Oh. Oh. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Two birds with one stone. Oh, wow. Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh. All good things come to those who wait. Oh.
The white tiger is also a Bengal. Did you know?
It is, yeah.
Then there's one.
The big boys, I don't know that well. They are big.
They're doing it again. He's running off.
That one.
Wants to get in.
Yeah, I can remember when
He's gorgeous.
the other two were dying.
Isn't bothered about him.
Yeah.
If they were hungry.
I'm not.
You want me to try and take pictures? That's what you're saying, isn't it?
Yeah, I did it perfectly fine. Just put it against glass and it will work.
He's gone down in the hole. Can't see him. You can see me. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Tortoise. He's moving faster than me.
What, darling? Who's there?
Oh, cool. What's in there? Where are they?
I used to shop at Parrots.
Oh, they've got their own little shopping place.
Where are they?
I don't know. Oh, there's one.
Are they in the shopping
There's one not there.
Are they in the shopping mall?
Oh, this is cool. I like it.
Birds.
Mirror sons. They've got their own little village. It says.
Why does it say
There's one there. Look, babe. Maker.
Sheila, you read up?
So we've just found out off a lady that helps fundraise this place that all these animals are here are all rescues and they come here till the end of the days. So yeah, that's really, really nice.
Beautiful.
Oh, they're gorgeous. Hello. Hello. Oh.
My dad spent 2 or 3.
Right, we're going to try and find a table now.
Yeah.
Oh, we found one. Bit of entertainment.
Ah, we need a menu. Need a menu.
Yeah. Well, we've had a fantastic time here at your Lincolnshire Wildlife Park, and like I said earlier, they're all our rescue animals that actually live out their days here now. We've just had the food here. It's very, very nice, and good value for money. Yeah, so it's been a good day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.